Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit color grading like Wes Anderson movie easily in CapCut PC using a template on TikTok. So open the TikTok apps and search for the Wes Anderson trend template and select this template. So select this one and select alright, just click on it and click on try this template. Select use template in CapCut and we are directing to CapCut apps. Please wait. Alright, you can prepare your video and just click use template and select your video you like to edit according to needed. Alright, so just click preview. Go. Alright, so this is how you can create the Wes Anderson trend on TikTok apps. You can save to device or save and share to TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.